Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Akorede Adenike. In the tutorial today, you shall be learning how to make twisted headband. Let's get into it. This is the fabric I'm using for the tutorial today. This fabric is a little bit stretchy, so I have 22 inches in width and 8 inches in length. You can measure your head circumference before you cut your fabric out. So I'll just use the right side of the fabric and this is the wrong side of it. I'm going to fold into two like this for me to stitch from here to here with 1/2 inch. So I'm done stitching, as you can see, from here to here. I'm going to turn it to the right side now. So after turning, this is what I have. I'll go ahead now and place it like this and give it a good press. Let the seam line be at the center like this. So I'm done pressing it. As you can see, it's very neat. So I'm going to turn it like this for me to place it on each other like this. And I'm going to shift this one like this to the center of the second one, just like you are seeing it, as you can see. So, and I'm going to fold this one like this upward. I'm folding the second side to downward like this. Now go ahead to my machine and stitch with 1/2 inch, just like this. I'm done stitching, as you can see. So I'm going to trim it to the last because I don't want it to be bulky after turning to the right side. Make sure you trim it very well. I'm notching the edge here to both edges. So I'll now turn it to the right side. Now I'm done. As you can see, very nice and beautiful. I cannot wait to rock it, guys. This looks perfect and beautiful. Here is where I'm stopping for today, guys. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Please show some love by liking and following my page on Facebook at Akorede Adenike Sewing Tutorial. Till I see you in my next video, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye-bye.